This study changed how we understand food cravings, and it's not about willpower. I will often share that food isn't the whole problem, but still explain the chemicals in food itself so you can understand the whole picture and so you can understand what happens in the body in response to certain foods. Now, let me explain the milkshake study in simpler terms. Researchers gave the same milkshake to different people and measured dopamine activity in the brain. And dopamine is what we study in addiction. It tells us the addiction potential of a specific substance. Dopamine response varied by person, not the milkshake. Some brains released a lot of dopamines, others released much less. This means cravings aren't about discipline. If your dopamine signaling is lower, your brain pushes you to seek more stimulation, more food, more intensity, more sweetness, to feel the same exact reward that other brains can feel. This is known as tolerance in addiction literature. That's biology, not failure. The study cited individual differences or potentially genetic variations. A potential genetic variation could be the DRD2 gene mutation suggested in other studies. This brain-based vulnerability model is standard in substance addiction research, but when it comes to food, it's rarely talked about, and people blame themselves or the specific food instead, leading to restrict, then overeat, or binge cycles with foods that they actually enjoy. This is why willpower-based advice breaks people. So follow for more on dopamine, food noise, and nervous system safe recovery.